Hey girls and guys, welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned for my $100 giveaway that will be ending on July 17th. Subscribe to my channel and leave a like on the video and comment your Cash App name down below and you will be entered into this giveaway. It's ending on July 17th. So I just wanted to remind you guys of that. These videos are separated into parts leading up to my bedroom makeover. I'm going to show you guys how I update my place, and I'm going to also keep you updated into like the decor and everything and little home decor and changes that I make around the house, because I feel like that will make me more consistent and you guys will have more content to watch. So I hope you guys like how I'm doing it now. If so, make sure you always let me know in the comment section. But yeah, today's video I'm going to be removing the ceiling fan and putting up a chandelier, and I just wanted to show you guys how I did that. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Next project, I'm about to tackle this. I know that y'all like, girl, leave these people house. Mind your business. All right, mind your business. I'm gonna do what I want to do. I'm gonna be here for a while. And I'm moving. This gotta go. Right here, I've already removed the base from the ceiling fan off the ceiling. It just was held up there by 2 screws. And before you mess with any wires, you do want to cut the power off. All the main source power, you want to cut it off in the whole room. I couldn't access my breaker box, so I just prayed, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you. And so I wore these gloves, these safety gloves, and then I just went ahead and removed the wires and the mounting plate from the ceiling to expose the wires. As y'all can see, the ceiling fan on the bed now. And I did take this and put it in the living room closet because it is a good ceiling fan. So I put it up so I can put it back on if I need to. So now I'm going ahead and going to unbox my chandelier. I will leave the links. Y'all, I'm sorry about the links, y'all. I promise I'm adding all the links today after this video get posted on every video. So this is just from Amazon. It's just a basic chandelier. I love it. It's so cute. I love it that it has the black hardware and then it has those crystals. And you guys will see it in a few minutes. I'm going to show you how everything looks out of the package. And I'm also going to show you a picture of it, how it will look when it's finished. And y'all going to see me. It came unassembled, so I have to assemble it myself. So you guys will, I think I got some portions of me assembling it. And then I'm going to mount it onto the wall. I'll show you guys how I do that. So it came with these individual crystals and little loop rings already connected, and you just place them inside each hole that you see on the hardware, if I can hold it in my hand. And that's all I did. I just took each crystal and put the little loop, the little hook inside the hole. And once I was finished with that, that's how it looks. It looks really cute, really cute. Nice quality and really affordable. I love it. And then after this, I'm going to go ahead and install the base to this. So I just take I use one of my light bulbs from out the bathroom. But just to see if it worked, I was so excited right now because I just took the hot wire and the neutral wire and connected it to the hot and neutral inside the ceiling. And mine were red and blue. Normally it's black and white. I figured it out. Neutral was blue and red was hot. I'm excited, y'all. Now we just go ahead and attach the chandelier part. And that's it. After I attach this, we'll be all finished. I really love how this turned out. I love it, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see my bedroom makeover. Like I said, I'm giving it to y'all in separated portions. So I hope that y'all stay tuned and watch every video. And of course, don't forget about my $100 Cash App giveaway that will be ending on July 17th. So make sure you like this video and make sure you are a subscriber, and make sure that you comment your Cash App name down below and continue watching all the videos I will be posting, because that's going to keep me consistent. So pray for me, and as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you girls and guys in my next video. XOXO. Deuces.